Dear children, good morning to all of you. For class 10th, I want to teach here chapter 4. The name of the chapter is From the Diary of Annie Frank, page number 50. All I think about when I am with friends is having a good time. See, Annie Frank here says that when I am with friends, when she is with her friends in good time, she has a good time. I cannot bring myself to talk about anything but ordinary, everyday things. She says here that she does not want to describe about anything but simple everyday things she wants to describe. What everyday things happen, she wants to describe about those things. We don't seem to be able to get any closer, and that is the problem. She wants to tell here that she does not want to describe, to come closer to it, and it is her problem. Maybe it is my fault that we don't confide in each other. Here she says that we don't confide in each other. Confide means here to tell personal things privately to that one trusts means she expresses her view with her friend everything. In any case, that's just how things are, and unfortunately, they are not liable to change. This is why I have started the diary. Here, Annie Frank says that how things are. She describes here that it is my fault that we don't confide in each other. In, in any case, that's just how things are, and unfortunately, they are not liable to change. Means Annie Frank wants to confess here, describes here that she describes all the things which happens in her daily life with her friend, and it was her fault, and unfortunately they are not liable means believable to change. This is why I have started the diary. She says here that this is the this is the reason that she has started to write the diary, to enhance the image of this long awaited friend in my imagination. To enhance the image of this long awaited friend in my imagination, I don't want to jot down the facts in this diary the way most people would do. She says here that she does not want to express those things mm, 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 which I want to jot down the facts in this diary. She does not want to describe those things in her diary. Most of the people do that. But I want the diary to be my friend, and I am going to call this friend Kitty. Here, Annie Frank wants to describe the diary to be her friend. She says here that diary is her friend, and she is going to call this friend Kitty. She is going to give the name Kitty. Here is the question of CW which I want to ask with you. Why does Annie want to keep a diary? Second question. Why did Annie think she could confide more in her diary than in people? Thank you.